In view of the present law and order situation in Jiribam, DGP Rajiv Singh has issued transfer order for some officers in an effort to curb violence in the district. Former OC of Jiribam Police, as Ibotombi'S, has been transferred to Manipur Police Training College in the transfer and posting order issued by DGP Rajiv Singh yesterday, while the same order appointed T. Rameshwar of Kakshing Police as the new OC of Jiribam Police. Meanwhile, people in Jiribam staged a sit-in protest decrying the transfer of OC Ibotombi'S. The sit-in protest was held in front of Jiribam District Police Headquarters, joined by residents of relief camps. The protesters hold the placards highlighting that the OC has sacrificed his salary for 1 year to support the relief camp and has been extending all possible assistance to conflict-affected people, irrespective of caste and creed in Jiribam. The protesters also shouted various slogans against the transfer of the OC.
Tang Taramari Tokiba Jiribam Police OC in a Pubiriba Sagapam Ibotombi Sarbu transfer to see a Sukimati Noide, Polak Liba order transfer order at sea to Bomatanda Marilena Authoritina Kapu, Eko Sarasiga, Mari Zet Natamnaduna, Amaga, Aki to Zoom later, Namating Pangatana, Sukazana later Pasida, Roen order, Sukazana Pasida, transfer to Biba Havasia, Koyam Pende, Aduna, Atubomatamda, transparency of Headview.